How to install a latch on your gate. First, you line up your latch. See where you want it to be. Right about that'll go where the mid seam is. There. Mark off my points. Huh. I guess I have to put an next piece of wood behind there. And then you screw in your holes. Ooh. And I go one. I like to screw them in diagonally just to make sure it's level. Boom. One more for the latch. Alright, where's the latch? I need to put a piece of wood there, and then that's it. You just screw it in, and essentially you just go boom.